When I do my packing, I like to do everything in stages. There's absolutely no way that I can pack everything in 1 or 2 days. I really like to take my time only because I don't want to forget anything. So today is the stage that I'm going to be packing all my intimates, all my jogger pajamas, all my silky nighties, my thongs, my bralettes, pretty much anything that is intimate. So as you can see behind me, I have everything pretty much spread out. Gonna have to decide what I'm taking, what I'm not taking, and then I'm gonna be packing them in my cubes. And then tomorrow I will go right ahead and move on to a different stage. But I'm going to do this right now, get this done. When I pack, I like to be extremely organized. I like to know where exactly I can find my stuff. So I have these packing cubes here that I purchased on Amazon. What I do is I put my bikinis in here, my bralettes, my undies, my thongs, everything pretty much easier so that I'm able to find my stuff. As you can see, this is my pajamas. So what I like to start to do is start packing all my nighties. What I end up doing is I spread everything out and then I go through everything that I've separated, and then I decide what it is that I'm taking, what I'm not taking. So I'm not going to take these. And then after that, I pretty much just end up folding all my nighties and my pajamas and then putting them in the cubes. Once I have all of my makeup purses laid out, I decide which ones are the ones that I'm taking. Now I do have a few favorites, I mean, depending on what it is that I'm going to pack. But pretty much this here is my routine, and we're gonna get started right now. All right, in this bag, I have put all my SPF stuff in here, some bug repellent, some tanning lotion, tanning oil. Here I have my toothpaste and some feminine spray, my shaving cream. So this here, I put it in a plastic bag like this. I don't get fancy with it because honestly, this doesn't need a fancy bag, right? These things here are little extra things that I like to carry on my carry-on. I take white beads, I take some deodorant, of course my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and some mouthwash and some floss, and some tissue paper, and some vanilla fragrance lip balm. I take my own travel size blow dryer, I take my curling iron, I take my brush. This is something new that I'm going to take. It's a Studio Glow makeup lighting. You adapt it to the mirror and it just gives you better lighting, because I notice when you travel sometimes there's not good lighting in the bathroom. Once I'm done packing all the essentials and all the stuff that you just saw that I put in the bags, I put it in here in my duffel bag. I set it on the side. This is just here temporarily only because I still need to get myself organized, and then that way when I'm ready to pack, put everything in my suitcases, all that stuff is here ready to go. Hello lovelies, welcome to stage 2. This is where I begin to start packing my jewelry, my makeup, handbags, and some clothes. From here I start choosing what jewelry I want to take, and then I start placing them all here in this mirror. I have all my ankle bracelets in here, organized. I have all my toe rings here, all my silver jewelry here, and all my other colored jewelry here. All right, everyone, this is stage 3. I pack my bikinis, I pack my shoes, put everything in my suitcases, and I'm ready to go. All right, so I'm going to tell you what are the accessories that I take to the beach. This here is my beach bag. I take this. I take this other beach bag. This is a handbag beach bag. So this here, what I do is I put my makeup, my cell phone, my chargers, I put SPF, I just put like other additional little things that you can't just throw in a beach bag. So I have this little bag in there. And of course I take beach towels. I know that when you travel, it depends where you go. I mean, if you go to a resort, they're gonna provide beach towels. But if you go to an Airbnb location, then they're not going to provide any beach towels. So I like to take those. I also like to take beach cover-ons. I bought this one here. It has flamingos, so I thought it was pretty cute, and it pretty much just matches with a lot of the bikinis that I have. This here is a lacy white one, so this one I am taking for sure. A pineapple cover-on.